gonna have to be in 2 different parts now. How's it going? Good. Oh. Peter, this camera sucks. It's like all blurry. Lighter and smooth.
How we do it in Verndale.
Has he been getting it?
Yeah.
Oh. What about that? The blood squirts on the camera screen.
Is that what you're asking me about?
It'd be so much easier with a drill.
Just have somebody else do it. A bigger one. He wants a tape.
This smells like fingernails. Burnt fingernails.
You have to come in the bathroom here show you what I have here. You need to go. I want to show you something.
Yeah, it's starting to hurt.
Jake?
Yeah.
It's just about there. If I pushed it, probably split out.
That's the way of disinfecting this. Here.
Lube.
Drill bit in there.
It hurts. I want it to be gone. It's like starting to calm.
We're waiting for it. It's gonna happen soon. We're 10 minutes to hurry up.
Just
Yeah, that's what we said 5 minutes ago.
shut up.
You ever light your fart on fire?
You need something to bite on?
Shane to do it, it would back up into it.
You can get you a piece of wood to bite on, Dakota.
I'm trying to push
You
hard so
should
it's
see by the way
faster.
home this cold is going.
Just let me do it. I'll do it good and efficient. It's not even getting anywhere.
You kidding me? There's
Slowly
pretty
getting there.
Ew.
Maybe your drill bit's dulled.
Do more of the lube.
I don't think they're made to go.
Don't dip it in here.
That makes it slippery. Slippery.
What is that stuff anyway?
It's the type of
Yeah, this
antibacterial.
one's cutting good.
Oh yeah.
Dude, you should seriously have somebody else do that. It'd help out a lot more.
Alex, you do it. Let Alex do it.
Yeah, I'm getting there.
The faster he does it, the faster it's done, the faster the clean's done.
Yeah, this is cutting way better. You can see the fingernail coming out, you know?
Okay.
Ooh, get in there.
We're 5 minutes into this. Actually, about 7 minutes because the last video is about 1.5 minutes. Well, at least now you can tell it's cutting really good. Starting again. It's starting to cut really good though.
Gonna be quick video. Wait.
Let's see how it's grabbing. Well, thank you, Dakota. I've needed a new video on my channel anyways. Just too cold and depressing to do anything.
Dakota, cut the toenail, don't know why. Disgusting. Yeah.
Yeah. I like how there's like 4 phones, right? You know, all recording it.
Yeah, he reached out to me if you were wondering.
Hey, shut up.
That's your boy. How do you feel about this? Oh?
What?
How do you feel about this?
Ooh, it's coming.
Is it coming?
I wouldn't want to be in his shoes.
Force it harder.
Dude, it's cutting. Can't you see the shit coming out?
Now we're getting a new cut video.
Okay, Darth Vader.
Thanks, Jackie. Well, I'm bored, so bye.
It should be working. It's been cutting good.
Just scrape it, baby.
Yeah, but it's still
More
cut.
force.
I mean, I can't turn it though, dude.
No, it's just I'm not gonna put his hand.
There's a trash can right over there.
I did the other day, so I went out, but I was in there, sitting there, I see it. Alright.
I'm drilling into my own finger. That is awesome. Okay.
The benefit of it is, he's a hospital.
What?
You gotta be able to swing over.
If I nigga mustache starts in, mustache starts in. Come on, Dakota.
Shut up. It should be through by now. It's quite a ways down.
You gotta park for me now.
Okay, let me do it.
No, dude. Oh.
How deep is it in there?
The wrestling record.
Feels in pretty deep.
Oh,
8 minutes.
Joe get a shot.
No, I want to get this whole thing. Hopefully it gets on the #1 hit.
So it's gonna go in on screen recording.
Only in Burndale.
What are we recording here?
Don't get kind of boring here.
Just shut up. Trying my best.
Harder.
Maybe if I had a, decent drill bit, or a smaller one that was sharp.
Let me do it.
Right on it.
This thing's huge. There's gonna be a huge hole in my finger.
You better get somewhere else.
Why do you keep your safety on?
It's almost there. On what?
Dude, pop it off. You said that like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, but look at how far down it is.
No.
Yeah. Look at how bad my hands are sweating.
Put a red Alex do with this.
Ouch. 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 That's from the drill bit.
Yeah, Brian, 3 minutes. Dakota King.
Alright, someone else draws.
Alex.
Don't press hard though. Like I'm serious, don't press hard. You can press harder than that. Not that hard. Not that hard.
Keep doing that hard.
I can't do it. Yeah, I know, it's hard.
I'll do it.
Not that hard. Don't be a pussy. Please God, not that hard. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. Trying to grow some out here.
Faster, Alex.
Yeah, go get a drill.
Hammer.
Can't believe I went through my other thing.
Okay, jam it a bit. Just jam it.
No. No pain, no gain. Kind of starting to really go through. It hurts so bad. I keep pressing hard.
Almost there.
Pull it off and light it again. Just a little bit. Holy God, we're so far
Holy,
down.
that thing, I can see the blood.
Okay.
I'm not going to glass. I'm going to the
Okay.
Keep going, keep going.
Go.
Keep going, Alex. Someone hold Dakota down.
I'm sweating.
Someone hold the gun.
Yeah, how do you think I am? You had surgery your left finger.
Just close your eyes, Dakota.
Oh, this thing's gonna grab. Oh, I see blood. We're almost there.
Yeah, almost there, man.
There's like a minute left. You guys.
Okay. Yep, there you go. Okay, a little more.
You guys are so close.
Oh, this is nasty.
Don't push so hard now, though.
I faint when I see blood.
What?
And why are you the one drilling?
Ew! Oh.
There it is.
Ew. Oh,
You can't really push it out, though.
oh, nasty.
Push the skin, not the nail.
Yeah.
That's disgusting.
Push it.
No, it's like
Let me drill some more.